Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Skyscanner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application allows you to search for flights, hotels and car hire, and not only you can search for them, but you can also purchase a ticket or book a hotel. So by clicking on the flights, hotels or car hire button, you are able to search for thousands of different flights, hotels and car hiring all over the world. The application itself is very easy to use, and in the trips section you can even start to plan your own trip by adding flight, hotel and adventures or like programs to it. In the profile section you can manage your account. You can find the support section here, your account details and the settings section as well. So overall it's a very easy and useful application when it comes to searching for flights, hotels and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.